Now that we have finished up with question 3, we will be moving on to question 4, which restated is, where is the Earth located in relations to the Sun compared to the other planets in our solar system? Alright, so when looking at this, the Earth's position compared to others is extremely different, as we all can tell. The best way to compare if a planet is sustainable versus if it's not is by looking at the distance of the planet. So, Earth's positioning, we have from the asteroid belt, Mars inward. Outward planets, you go from asteroid belt, so Jupiter, outward. We're going to start with the inner planets, which in comparison are more like Earth compared to the outer ones. So the inner planets have a more drier atmosphere and are more likely to sustain life, but are incapable of doing so because of the sun. The sun's rays destroy their atmospheres, creating a different planet, a hotter, intenser planet, which for humans would be impossible to live on. Mars, on the other hand, is farther outside of Earth, but still considered an inside planet because of the asteroid belt. But when looking at Mars, we can make so many comparisons to Earth. There have been trying to find traces of water on the planet for years. Space travel with the rovers and gathering as much information as possible on Mars to see if we're going to need that in the future. Well, we're still waiting on results to figure out if it would ever be capable, if it did hold water at one point, or if it could have life. So Mars is probably the most comparable compared to any other planet. Moving on to the outer planets, you have Jupiter on out, which are mainly gaseous planets. Their orbits are so far out compared to Mars and inward that it takes a longer time. Sun rays are going to take longer to get to those planets, so they're going to be cooler, cold, gaseous, and the size difference is just unbelievable. You look at all the inner planets, and they are small in size, extremely, compared to like the Jupiter, Saturns, Uranus, Neptunes, and their gravity, like Earth's gravity, isn't as strong as those. The bigger the planet, the stronger the gravity. It's collected more over the years. Cores are stronger. It would be impossible for humans to ever live on there. And compared to Earth, we are lucky to have the gravity that we have. We are lucky to have the sun that we have. We are lucky to have no atmosphere destroyed due to the sun's rays or being too close or too far out of orbit. So this question is great to know, and it's a big reason to why we are where we are today. And Earth's positioning is perfect.